Indeed, I was moved to tears. This was of such a magnitude. The ruling was of such a magnitude that I was having an emotional response to this opinion. And I think that's because in more than half of the states before Monday's rulings, an employer could discriminate against persons on the basis of their gender identity and sexual orientation. So there was just no protection. So this allowed individuals, millions of individuals across the country, to be able to be themselves in the workplace, freely themselves in the workplace, and it accords dignity, right, and respect to all workers, regardless of their sexual orientation or their gender identity. So I was incredibly moved, and I still am, when I think about the implications of this decision.
Well, I cried. I mean, I teared up. I saw the headline on my phone in the morning, right when it came out, I think. And I immediately thought about my brother, who was a gay man who died of AIDS in 1993, and how happy he would have been. And I'm almost tearing up talking about it. I imagined the phone conversation that I would have had with him. And then I thought of so many of my gay and trans friends and colleagues. I thought of Ames, because we taught this course together, and so many people who've worked so hard for so many years for this day, and who've had to and will probably continue to have to undergo so many indignities to get to where we are. And I celebrated. And even though I know the work is not even nearly finished, I took a long minute, and I'm still taking that minute, to just let the victory sink in and to celebrate it.
Like my colleagues, I was also pleasantly surprised by the decision. I think everybody in the LGBTQ community had been bracing for either a partial loss or a full loss based on the direction of oral argument. Although I will say that Gorsuch did seem in the oral argument like he might be one of the people most open, especially to the textual argument. I have not yet really taken the time to celebrate. Partly it's because in the LGBTQ community, we're used to, in June, hundreds of people gathering and celebrating, commemorating the Stonewall riots that started the LGBTQ movement. And so celebration in the time of COVID looks like, getting on a Facebook Live to have a rally, which is different. And certainly that's not limited to the LGBTQ community.